Good morning, Creative.
Good morning, Ignace.
What is my camera doing in my ceiling? Oh right, it's a vlog.
We are closing in at Los Angeles, California. Our estimated time of arrival is in 48 minutes. Please get ready for landing.
A little while ago, I've been invited to attend Adobe Max 2019 as an Adobe insider. And oh boy, it was awesome. The first day started off with an exclusive event just for us Adobe insiders. We got to experiment with the new releases as first hands-on and got introduced to new software like Adobe Aero, an augmented reality app which is really cool and looks very promising. Anyway, we had a fun bus tour in Hollywood. By the way, this is Matthew, a fellow Belgian that currently spends his time in Australia. Check out his channel, he makes time lapses. Alright, so we then made a stop at Universal Studios, where we also got an entire tour. Really worthwhile. This studio was so inspiring and fascinating at the same time, and yeah, we got a little bit wet. This set was actually one of my favorites. It looked so realistic, and they actually used this in actual movies. We finished our first day Adobe style with an awesome rooftop party over Hollywood. The second day was the first day of the summit, Adobe Max 2019. We had a grand opening with an amazing keynote. The attention to detail Adobe has is so admirable. We got to see the newest features of all the Creative Suite products and got to walk around all the booths, tested some awesome augmented reality demos, and got a chance to follow Creative Session classes. Next, we got to see some special Adobe sneaks like little concepts using Adobe's artificial intelligence called Adobe Sensei, which was really crazy and just blew my mind every single time I saw a different demo. It was awesome.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
We finished this day, of course, with another party, but this time they really overdid it. Alright, so we just had the Adobe Sneaks. It was super awesome. These were all kind of AI test samples that were all crazy and blew my mind. These guys are making some awesome stuff with Adobe Sensei. I couldn't share everything, but it was awesome. Now we're heading off to the Adobe Bash party, which I'll bet will be pretty insane. A private concert, but it was still fully seated with Adobe Max attendance. Free drinks, free food, no worries, just fun. This night was truly amazing, and I'm so grateful that I was able to be a part of all this. I want to thank everyone that supports me, because without you guys, this wouldn't have happened. It was the most amazing experience of my entire career so far, and hopefully we'll get to do it again sometimes. Take care, and goodbye.